This is the practice for finding circumference of a circle. You have all your vocabulary words up here. Okay, radius is half from the center, the half of the circle. Diameter is all the way across, and circumference is all the way around. 4. What is the circumference of a circle with a radius of 5? Well, if the radius is 5, that means that's half of the circle. That means the diameter is 10. Remember, for the formula of circumference, we got to know the diameter. So 3.14 times the diameter. So then the circumference would be 3.14 times 10, which means the circumference is 31.4 inches. Number 5, what is the diameter of a circle with a circumference of 10 and 99 hundredths? So we know that the circumference is 3.14 times d, but we want to figure out what d is. We know that the circumference is 10 and 99 hundredths feet, so we substitute that in for the letter C. Draw my line, divide each side by 3.14. And when we do that, we get 3.5 for the diameter. And in order to check that, I can take 3.5 and substitute it in for D and see that when I multiply 3.14 times 3.5, see if I get that 10.99. Number 6 says, how many full revolutions does a car tire get with a diameter of 25? So when it's talking about a full revolution, it means the circumference. It means the outside of that tire. So all we do is go back to our circumference formula, 3.14 times d, and it says that the diameter is 25. So circumference equals 3.14 times 25. And when I substitute that in, I get 78.5 inches. Is the circumference for that tire. Number 7, find the circumference of a circle. So we have to look at our circle. They're showing that the diameter is 7, so they gave us the diameter on this one. So circumference equals 3.14 times 7. Circumference equals 21.98 centimeters. Number 8, find the circumference of the circle. Use 3.14 for pi and round to the nearest hundredth. Once again, on number 8, they're giving us the diameter. Okay, the diameter is 20 feet because that's all the way across. So circumference is equal to 3.14 times d. So my circumference is equal to 3.14 times 20. My circumference is 62.8 feet. Number 8. Number 9, now they're giving us the radius. They're not giving us the diameter. So before we solve number 9, we've got to write down that the radius is 12, but we need to know the diameter, which would be double that, which is 24. So circumference equals 3.14 times 24, because we know it's 3.14 times the diameter. And the circumference is 75 36 hundredths wide, or around. Number 10, find the circumference of the circle. Here, once again, they give you the radius. The radius shown is 9 5/10, so that means we have to find the diameter. We have to double that, which means the diameter is 19. So we get circumference equals 3.14 times 19. The circumference of that circle is 59.66 centimeters. It's just about substitution, okay? It's figuring out what information they give you in the circle. So if they give you the radius, we know we have to find the diameter for our formula. And number 11 says find the diameter of a circle that the circumference is 27 centimeters. So let's write my formula. Circumference equals 3.14 times the diameter. I'm going to substitute 27 in for C because that's the circumference. Draw my line, and then I need to divide each side by 3.14 because we want to figure out what our diameter is. 27 divided by 3.14 is 8.6 for my diameter. I'm sorry, 8.6 centimeters.